Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about that how to make money as a freelance writer. You can earn a few hundred or even a few $1,000s per month working as a freelance writer. Several students have made very successful career as a freelance writer. Here is how. Think of all the written materials even a tiny company puts out. Imagine a software company with 5 employees. Their annual report doesn't write itself. They need a blog to keep up with the content marketing war. The sales team sends out sale letters and brochures to prospects. There are thousands of people looking for freelance writers every day. In this post, I'll show you how to get your first 3 writing clients. First, let's talk about what you need to become a freelance writer. Number 1. Do you need credentials? Number 2. Get your first clients. Step 1. Locate freelancing clients. Step 2. Communicate with your clients. Exact steps to use. Do you have the credentials to become a freelance writer? Only 2 types of people will ask you what are your credentials. Person 1. Someone who's spectacle of your abilities. So they ask this as a prelude to condescendingly laughing at you. Person 2. You do it to yourself. How many times have you talked yourself out of applying for an opportunity because you do not have the right experience or credentials? If you believe experience and credentials are the only way to land a freelance writer job, you are missing out on the entire world of people who are simply sidestepping you. The truth is, we don't need magical credentials to get ahead. Yes, experience matters, and in some jobs, credentials really matters. But we all know people who defer their goal until they have all their ducks in a row, maybe $100K of grad school, maybe some worthless certificates, maybe some mysterious people they hope will appear in their life and declare them great, only to find out that nobody really cares. The truth is, we don't need to wait for years, praying and hoping for a boss to grace us with success. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to do it now. Your first goal: get 3 writing clients. Don't start a blog. Don't start social media marketing. Don't start SEO. Complex marketing strategies like SEO, blogging, and viral marketing appears both easy and discreet, when in reality they are often an excuse for you to avoid the hard work of finding actual people who will pay you for your service. You do know how long SEO takes to work. Stop building complex marketing strategies for clients you don't have. Your first goal is to get 3 clients. Do you really need a blog to do that? And note, I said 3 clients, not just 1. That could be a fluke. Get 3. Once you have 3 clients, you have proven that you have a reliable base of people who will pay you for your service. You can test service offering and prices on them. And now, you can start with more complex marketing strategies. Remember, skip all the fanciness and get 3 people to pay you first. Getting your first client is a 2-step process that I call locate and communicate. Step 1. Locate freelancing clients. Who is your exact client and where do they go to look for a solution to their problem? Where are people already looking for solution to problems, and how can you make a match between them and your service? Identify very specific leads in your very specific target market and figure out where they go to look for a solution to their needs. Here is how you find them. First step is to niche down your market. Do not try to find every business that might need writing service, reports, copywriting, websites, emails, etc. Niche it down by location, size, revenue, type of business, and so many more options. Next, find out where you go to find writers. Get in their heads. Research your audience, email a few people, take them out to lunch. Could you pitch one potential clients each morning? You probably could if you create an email template. How about 10 over the week? Playing with different headlines, offers, so you can see which one works better. It does not have to take a long time and it doesn't have to be agonizing. Which brings us to step 2. Step 2. Communicate with your clients. Email will be your most important communication tool for pitching clients. I get pitched via email all the time by freelance writers. The problem is, the emails are usually way too long and have no clear point. Exact script to get your freelance writing business started. Put together 5 best word-for-word scripts for locating and communicating with potential writing clients. You can copy, paste, and modify these in just a few minutes to send to potential clients or other freelance writers. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.